The secret to sustainable weight loss is eating clean without sacrificing flavor. I love bold flavors and I love sauce. If you do too, keep watching because I'm going to show you my signature sauce. My family uses it on pretty much everything, and in our house we call it green sauce, but really it's a cilantro aioli. And here's what you need. Obviously, one whole bunch of cilantro, a whole bunch of garlic, depending on how much you like garlic. This is how much I have. You need fresh lemon and salt and some clean mayo. I'm using avocado mayo. This is as easy as it gets. You're just gonna throw all of these items in your high-speed blender. Then use your tamper to blend it all up. And then give it a taste, and you're gonna know if you need more salt or lemon. Look how pretty that is. This is excellent on any Mexican or Asian flavors. Give me any cooked or raw veggie or any protein, dip it in that green sauce and their taste buds are gonna be happy. If you're having trouble losing weight, it could be because you're lacking flavor, and this is one way to get it.